Baik, saya coba untuk share screen saya. I'm going to use English for my presentation. First of all, I would like to say sorry that I cannot use my laptop today because I got problem with my laptop. So I'm just going to use my mobile phone for the presentation. Can you see my screen, Bapak Ibu?
Belum, Ibu.
Belum ya?
Iya.
Can you see it now?
No.
Can you see my screen now, Bapak Ibu?
Belum ada, Ibu.
Oh, belum
Ya.
ada. Oh my. Can I have maybe can I get some help from Pak Yansa to share my screen? Will that be fine, Pak Yansa?
Bisa dikirim melalui chat, nanti boleh saya bantu presentasi untuk salin dianya.
Character here is an imagined version of a story. So there are two kinds of characters, namely main and additional characters. Main characters, as we know that the character that appears almost in every scene of the movie, while additional is only appearing in a particular scene. Well, movie here is a series of motion pictures with colors and sounds. Brief movie, Brief movie here is an American 3D CGI computer-generated image in a computer animated adventure fantasy movie. It is 3D movie. So how is the characters of Princess Merida deconstructed? The first, one day Princess Merida celebrated her birthday in her childhood, but here the father is King Danbroch from the kingdom of Danbroch. He gave a special gift for his daughter. He gave an arrow. It's not common gift. It's not common birthday gift for a princess. An arrow or a bow. And Princess Merida liked it very much and grew as a princess with excellent skill in archery. This is the first deconstruction. While the second, we can see from the movie, the second is she has the same hobby as her father. So a common princess should be the same, just like the queen, but here it's different. This Merida is portrayed having the same hobby as her father. As a princess, she has so many rules. She has to walk very elegantly, and then she has to do something very, very formal. But she has one day free from all the rules in the kingdom. She can be very free. She can be what she wants to be. So she likes in her free time. She likes traveling, adventure, riding a horse, hunting, and even fighting with big bears. That's actually not a really common princess.
We're prepared for both for synchronous and asynchronous learning. Synchronous is, as everyone knows, synchronous is when the teacher and the students are met at the same time in online platform like Google Meet, Zoom, and etc. And asynchronous learning is like the learning material, teaching and learning material that can be accessed by the students not at the same times as the teachers, what's it called, assess that. So asynchronous learning let the students learn anytime and anywhere. Okay, so why we need, why the teachers in Canggu Community School needs to prepare those kind of learning material? Because in synchronous learning, there's no problem because the students can join at the same times in Google Meet or things like that to learn together. But for the students who live abroad, like 5 or 6 hours difference with Indonesia, so they need to be provided with the learning materials that can be accessed at any time. Okay. Okay, so let me present about the digital tools for synchronous online learning. So I categorize them into 4. The first one is live mate, and then live game, and live discussion, and live reading. And in live mate, the teachers in Canggu Community School use Google Meet with nicknames. So it will be easy to remember for the young learners about the room that they need to go. They just need to remember the teacher's name, like me, Dian. So they just need to type Dian and then click join. So no need to what's it called? No need to remember the how many? Yeah, the codes for joining it. And also it can be prevent students joining before the teacher. And next one that we found here is a live activity with Quizlet. Quizlet is the most frequently tools used by the teachers of Bahasa Indonesia to learn vocabulary, as well as to play